This is the Volkswagen Lupo, and it's like a Shih Tzu, only it's small and cute. So follow me, we'll get onto the engine. This is a 1 litre MPI, 50 horsepower, 86 newton meters of torque. It's front wheel drive, 0 to 60 of about 18 seconds. A top speed of 94 miles an hour. That's got a 5-speed manual. Now this is I think it's 2002, 2003 car, so yeah, so around the middle of the production, because these were made between 1998 and 2005. If we look over here on the interior, it's yeah, quite nice actually. You know, it's got it's quite nice. Done over 100,000 miles, as you can probably see, and I mean, back seats aren't the most spacious, but look at the size. You don't expect it to be spacious, do you? Now coming on to the back. Here we go. Not the biggest one, but there's also a subwoofer in here as well. This has also got metallic paint, which is reasonably rare. I think these are 14-inch rims as well. And fun fact, there's also an SE edition, or a Cambridge edition, as they call it in Europe. And this includes, some seats matching, brake lights have some silver on them, whereas on the standard one they're all red. And also the steering wheel, gear stick, and the handbrake are all leather. I'll see you in the car. Welcome to the car. Let's take a little drive now. So why did you buy this car?
Why did I buy it? Because it was cheap. And I used to have a Lupo Sport, and your mum had the Lupo GTI at the same time. And I thought, oh, why not? Let's have another one. But this one's half the brake horsepower is what my Sport was. My Sport was 100 brake horsepower, 1.4, whereas 1 litre, 50 brake horsepower. But get good fuel economy out of this, 40 to 50 miles to a gallon.
When did you buy this?
I bought it in August. So not very long ago.
Yeah. How did you buy it?
So it just come up on Facebook, and there was a few things wrong with it, so I thought, oh, why not, let's do it. And we went and drove over to, I think it was Sussex, 140-mile drive, and drove it back knowing that the clutch might be dodgy on it, but it's been fine. There was a few other things wrong with it. Yeah.
So why do you like these so much?
I'm a big Volkswagen fan, and I need a little run around for the school run, so this is ideal because it's small, little, parking's brilliant in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And cheap to run.
Yeah.
Cheap to insure, cheap to tax.
Yeah.
It's ideal really for the first time driver because it's so cheap to tax and insure.
Yeah.
Not being a very powerful car.
Yeah, not too big as well.
Yeah. And as you can see, I've changed the stereo in it.
Yeah.
I've changed the front speakers and put the sub into the back, which is reasonably loud, as you can see. nothing worse than a bad sounding stereo. You've been in a Lupo before?
No.
No? This is basically one of the like early versions that's inspired your mum's up,
Yeah.
GTI. So it went from a Lupo to a Fox and then to the up.
Yeah. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Cheers!